Some of our most basic tools for beginners are absolutely recommend, especially when gardening, are going to be our Hori Hori knife. This is our Vego Garden Hori Hori. It's a 10-in-1 modular tool. It's very, very sharp, and it really helps get down the roots out of the bed, making sure nothing gets in your way. We also have a hand trowel. You absolutely need one of these. Unless you want to start digging with your hands, I would definitely recommend, especially if you buy pre-planted starts from a nursery or anything. Very, very helpful. We also have a hand cultivator. This helps turning over the soil, especially for the next season when you need to add another layer into your raised beds. We have hand pruners. They come in all different shapes and sizes, and this helps with your trimming out of anything or pruning or harvesting, which is my favorite part. And then last but not least, we have a yardstick. I know a lot of people don't understand this all that much, but when you're direct seeding, it'll help you perfectly measure out where your seeds need to go.